Hi guys, welcome to Premier Fitness. This is Aman Tilno and I'm starting Pyramid Triangle Giant Sets week 7 day 35 of our 10 weeks lean body challenge. And my today's Pyramid Triangle Giant Sets workout is shoulder, triceps, calf, back, hamstring and cardio. So let's start the first set of Pyramid Triangle Giant Sets with 20 reps each without any rest, and the first exercise is abductor with 35 kg weight. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is kettlebell swing. I'm going to do 20 reps with 12 kg weight. Firstly, let me tell you about Pyramid Triangle Giant Sets. It allows you to gradually up the intensity of your workout by increasing and decreasing the weight and repetition with each progressive set. It targets different exercises with various muscle groups. It is very efficient full body exercise. The kettlebell swing hits almost everything in your body. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is cable rear delt. I am going to do 20 reps with 15 lbs weight. The cable rear delt fly works more muscle than just the posterior deltoid. In fact, it is an effective trap strengthening exercise. This motion also works on upper back muscles. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is single arm overhead extension. I am going to do 20 reps with 10 lbs weight. Triceps extension are an excellent exercise to build and shape the upper posterior arm muscle. There are several varieties to try. Whenever you use your arm, your triceps come into action. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is chin-ups. I am going to do 20 reps with body weight. The primary benefits of the chin-ups are increasing strength and definition of the upper arm, especially the biceps, posterior deltoid of the shoulder, and the teres major and the back muscle. Without any rest, moving on to the cardio for 1 minute at least. After all exercises, taking a 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, that is a EAA and glutamine, and moving on to the second Pyramid Triangle Giant Sets with 15 reps each without any rest, and the first exercise is single arm cable lateral raises. I'm going to do 15 reps with 15 lbs weight. Cable lateral raises focus on the side deltoid muscle while working the anterior deltoid as well as the both middle and the lower traps. Moving on to the next exercise, that is skull crusher. I am going to do 15 reps with 15 kg weight. In the second set of PTGS, I am increasing the weight and decreasing the reps. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is standing calf raises. I am going to do 15 reps with 45 lbs weight. Calf raises are an easy, low impact method for strengthening the gastrocnemius and soleus. Moving on to the next exercise, that is lat pull down. I am going to do 15 reps with 65 lbs weight. The lat pull down is fantastic exercise to strengthen the lat muscle. It is the broadest muscle in your back, which promotes good posture and spinal stability. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is leg curl. I am going to do 15 reps with 40 lbs weight. These muscles function together to bend your knee and move your thigh back. This helps you walk, run and jump. Moving on to the last exercise of second set is cardio. I am going to do it for 1 minute or till I sweat 20 calories. After all exercise, taking 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, that is EAA and glutamine. And the third exercise of Pyramid Triangle Giant Sets with 12 reps each without any rest, and the first exercise is single arm cable lateral raises. I am going to do with 17.5 lbs. The single arm lateral raises can help you achieve muscle growth of lateral deltoid, giving you the appearance of broader, stronger shoulder. Aside from superficial appearance benefits, the exercise also strengthens your shoulder independently. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is skull crusher. I am going to do 12 reps with 20 kg weight. Skull crusher is also known as lying triceps extension and French extension or French presses, are a strength exercise used in many different forms of strength training. And the next exercise is standing calf raises. I'm going to do 12 reps with 55 lbs weight. Strong calf muscles result in better stability and balance, decreased risk of ankle and knee injuries, and better agility when running and jumping. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is leg pull down. I'm going to do 12 reps with 75 lbs weight. Form is crucial when performing a lat pull down to prevent injury and reap the best result. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is leg curl. I'm going to do 12 reps with 50 lbs weight. The hamstring curl, also called a leg curl, is an exercise that strengthens the hamstring. It involves bending your knees and moving your heels towards your butt while the rest of your body stays still. And the last exercise of third set of PTGS is cardio. I'm going to do it for 1 minute or till I sweat 20 calories. After all exercises, taking 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, that is EAA and glutamine. And the fourth exercise of pyramid triangle giant sets with 10 reps each, without any rest. And the first exercise is front raises with 20 kg weight. And in my fourth set, I am increasing the weight and decreasing the reps. The front raise primarily strengthens the shoulder but also work on upper chest muscle. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is close grip press. I am going to do 10 reps with 40 kg weight. The close grip bench press is an exercise that can build mass and develop the tricep strength. And the third exercise of fourth set is stiff leg deadlift. I am going to do 10 reps with 40 kg weight. The stiff leg deadlift intensely activates muscle fiber in your glutes and hamstring. It also improves athletic performance. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is leg press calf raises. I am going to do 10 reps with 120 kg weight. Working your calves on the machine has great benefit compared to standing calf raises. That is, it does not put stress on your spine. And moving on to the second last exercise of fourth set is T-bar row. I am going to do 10 reps with 20 kg weight. The T-bar row is an exercise that can increase the depth and thickness of the back. And moving on to the last exercise of fourth set is cardio. I am going to do it for 1 minute or till I sweat 20 calories. Cardio reduces your risk of heart attack, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes and some form of cancer. After all exercises, taking 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, that is EAA and glutamine. And moving on to the second last exercise of pyramid triangle giant sets with 15 reps each without any rest. And the first exercise is front raises with 17.5 lbs. And in the second last exercise of PTGS, I am increasing the reps and decreasing the weight. It is an isolation exercise for shoulder flexion. Moving on to the second exercise, that is close grip press. I am going to do 15 reps with 30 kg weight. The close grip bench press is an assistance lift for the bench press that puts more emphasis on the shoulder, upper chest and triceps. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is stiff leg deadlift. I am going to do 15 reps with 30 kg weight. The stiff leg deadlift is an isolation movement that specifically targets the hip flexion and extension and can be performed by all athletes to increase muscular strength. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is high feet leg press. I am going to do 15 reps with 120 kg weight. Placing the feet higher up on the foot pad encourages the hamstring and glutes to activate, which takes stress off the quads. And the second last exercise of PTGS is T-bar row. I am going to do 15 reps with 20 kg weight. This exercise also works the major back muscles, including shoulder and pulling muscles in your arms. And the last exercise of fifth set is cardio. I am going to do it for 1 minute or till I sweat 20 calories. Stair climber is great exercise for your overall abdominal muscles. After all exercise, taking a 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, that is EW and glutamine. And moving on to the last exercise of pyramid triangle giant sets with 20 reps each without any rest, and the first exercise is adductor with 45 lbs weight. They are located primarily around your glutes and on the outside of your thigh below your hips. These muscles work to spread your legs apart and help you push your hips out and squeeze your glutes. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is single arm cable reverse press down. I am going to do 20 reps with 12.5 lbs. The single arm reverse press down also activate your lat, abs, oblique, pecs and traps. These muscles act to stabilize the upper body during the exercise motion. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is dumbbell shrugs. I am going to do 20 reps with 30 lbs weight. If you are looking to boost the strength of your shoulder, neck and upper back muscle, or you want to improve your posture, consider adding shoulder shrugs to your workout routine. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is single arm dumbbell row. I am going to do 20 reps with 30 kg weight. The single arm dumbbell row is a good addition to any dumbbell workout. This movement targets the upper and lower back, shoulder, biceps, hips while improving core stability. Without any rest, moving on to the next exercise, that is Romanian lunges. I am going to do 20 reps with body weight. The main purpose of lunges is to isolate the quads and glutes by unilateral training and reduce the muscular imbalances. Moving on to the last exercise, that is cardio. I am going to do it for 1 minute or till I sweat 20 calories. It promotes feeling good and can even help relieve depression and anxiety. After 1 minute rest, moving on to the stretching for 10 minutes at least to avoid soreness and improve muscle flexibility. the end, I'm doing 20-minute cycling as a cardio. You can do anything like treadmill, cross trainer and stair climber. It's completely up to you. As you can see, I have done 20-minute cycle and have burned 200 calories.
That's all for the day, guys. I hope this session was enjoyable and helpful. See you all tomorrow. My video partner is Ajay Pal Singh. See you.